Repair. To fix something that is broken or damaged. He can repair the broken chair. She repaired her bike after it broke. They will repair the roof next week. The mechanic repaired the car engine. I need to repair my torn jacket.